All right, so here I am in my home page on my PayPal account. So what I want to do right now is that I want to add my bank account. Okay, so for you to add your bank account, what you should do basically is to come to these three lines here. Okay, just click on the three lines and then come to pay and get paid. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here you come to bank accounts and cards. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so all you want to do is you want to come here to link a bank account. That's what you want to do here. So you're going to tap on link a bank account. All right, so this is what we have here. So it's going to ask you for your bank account sort code and your account number. Now, if you go back to gray, let's go back to gray. Now, if you come back to gray, you will see here that you have your account number here and you have your sort code here. So what you want to do is just to copy your account number and your sort code from your gray account, and then you want to come back to your PayPal account, and then you want to put in your bank account sort code and your account number. And once you do that, you just click on agree and link, and it's going to be linked. So it's just that simple. Okay, so once you do that, but for me, I will advise that you should not do this now until you have money in your PayPal account before you go ahead to carry out this process. So this is how to link your PayPal account to your gray account so that you can withdraw your money from PayPal to a gray account, and then you can withdraw it in any currency of your choice, including the Nigerian naira. So thank you.